everyone, my name is Jessica and I'm an Avon Independent Sales Representative. I am coming to you today because I promised y'all an unboxing, an Avon unboxing. So I have already unboxed it. I have set it up on my desk so I don't have to rummage through my box down there. So I'm going to go ahead and just get started. So for my, for my beautiful bundle, I chose to get the Makeup Maven Must-Haves bundle. And everything that came in the bundle was, I got some waterproof lip and eye makeup remover. It's a pretty little packaging. I got Avon Magic Prime Face Perfector. Then I got some Avon True Color eyeshadow. I got Avon Magic Dust. That's finishing powder. I have not used that before, so that's going to be exciting to try. I have cashmere lip cream, and I just love that black and gold. That packaging is just beautiful to me. The color of this is True Red. And in this specific bundle, I got 2 of those cashmere lip creams. And in this one is Matte Dark Cherry. I bet that's a pretty color. I have some Glimmer eyeshadow. I also have Avon True Color Glimmer Stick Diamonds Eyeliner. I can't wait to try that. That's pretty. I also have another Avon True Color eyeliner, but this one is Black as Black eyeliner. And I have some Love at First Lash mascara. So, that is everything that was included in that Makeup Maven Must-Haves bundle. Now, we have 3 of those, and they're called Beautiful Bundles. And they are valued at $135, a little bit more. But you can get them at only $30. So I got all of that for $30, guys. That's amazing. I'm gonna just tell you the other 2 beautiful bundles that we had in that. And one was Skincare Essentials bundle. And I'm not going to go through everything the bundle includes itself because I've already made a video on that. So if you want to watch that video, I can also link that down in the description and you can watch that one. And then there was another bundle called Me Time, a pampering bundle. So all of these bundles were only $30 and valued at more than $135 or $135 and more. So that's that. I ordered a couple of things separate from the bundle, so I'm going to share those with you. I got the Avon A New Hydra Fusion Replenishing Serum. And then I also got me the Avon A New Hydrant Fusion Gel Cream. So I'm excited to use those. If you're interested in any of these products, they can be found at my e-store, and I will leave that link down below. I will also leave my social media links down below. You can also follow me and get updated info as I get it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful week. And I hope you have had a fabulous weekend. And I will talk to you all later. Bye.